AutoGPT can now ask ChatGPT to do a prompt and think itself. For our example, I will ask it to give me a healthy meal plan and it can search from the internet and generate some image from DAL and then sum up the price for it. As you can see on the AutoGPT workspace folder, it saved the output as a text file for the meal option that includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner plans. Let's get started for setting it up. First, you will need to go to the AutoGPT GitHub branch and clone the code. Once you downloaded the code, you will need to unzip it and then open the folder via Visual Studio Code. After that, you will need to make sure you have the Python version that is above 3.8 and then use the command pip install requirements.txt to install the library. Then you will also need to have the OpenAI API keys for calling the ChatGPT and also need to have the Pinecone API key for its long-term memory. As Pinecone just starting up won't cost money, but later on, it might be expensive. So right now AutoGPT team is trying to put it locally, so we might not need to have this anymore. For the Pinecone, all you need is to go to the website and then sign up via your account. Once you sign up and log in, then go to the API Keys tab to get your key region and the key. Now I will just create an API key and copy the environment and the value to the env.template file.
Then I will go to the platform.openai.com to get my API keys and put it into our .env.template file. For making the program able to do the search, we will also need to generate a custom search engine ID. For the free tier, we can use 100 searches a day, and once it's excess 100, then we will need to pay it, and the pay version would be 1,000 requests per $5. After that, you will need to rename or replace the env.template file with env file for the program to read your environment variables. Please make sure you copy the custom search engine ID correctly. If not, the search will keep getting bad requests and not be able to do its search. Now we will need to use pip install our requirements.txt to install our Python libraries. Sometimes the installation might have some error. It might be the version that installs is not correct. If that's the case, then you will need to copy them and install them one by one. In the current example, my program is not able to install the Pinecone, so I need to install it again. Once all the libraries are imported, then we can use the command python script /main.py to run the code. Here, I will type the testbot as my bot name. Then I will ask him for the role. So I will put the role as an AI bot to help me to generate some healthy meals for my week. Also, need to let the bot know what goal we are trying to solve. Also, you could ask it to save the output as a text file, image, Excel, or even Python script. Here, the bot asks if can it do a Google search, and then I type y-10 inches for it to run 10 continuous commands. You can also make the bot run endlessly if you want. Then you see, after it finishes its run, it generates the output inside the AutoGPT workspace folder with the image and the text file. It has the meal and how much each meal costs, and also generates the total of each day's meal. If you like to change your default template, you can go to the aisetting.yaml file in the root folder. How this project works is, it has a file called prompt.txt that contains some constraints for the AI bot and what command it could use, such as Google search, creating a GPT agent, write a file, read file. For the current example, it will use GPT 3.5 by default. If you like my video, please give me a like or subscript, and I will try to do more of this type of video. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment. And I will see you the next time.